Hello everyone, I'm Mike with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad P71. Today we're going to be replacing the wireless LAN card. The process will take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required is a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For more information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Pull the latch to the unlocked position, pivot the battery up, and lift it from the system. Now we loosen the screws in the bottom cover. And then lift the cover from the system. Disconnect the cables from the wireless LAN card. Remove the screw. And then pull the card from the slot. Install the wireless LAN card into the slot. Press down and install the screw. Now we want to connect the gray cable to the main terminal. And connect the black cable to the auxiliary terminal. We're going to place the tabs from the bottom cover into the slots on the chassis and then lower the cover into place and tighten the screws. Place the battery into the compartment. Press down until it locks into place.